move, right? The mechanics of the move was super interesting. What we had is we had a flip from demand. Let me just change that, right? So we had a flip from demand to supply. And we can see that via the footprint charts, right? The footprint charts are the lifeblood behind this, right? So the footprint charts, again, show us our confirmation. So what was going on inside of this zone now, right? So we've broken below. So those previous buyers, right, have failed. Now look at the buyers inside of here. So if we just take a look at this now, right? 1K for 2K, double the amount of aggressive buyers, right? 277 for 578, 0 for 72, finished auction, 0 for 85, ton of aggressive buyers inside of the level. Very important to understand. So if those buyers from the previous day failed as we broke below, and these aggressive buyers also fail as we continue to break below the I call it the neckline or the break line, whatever you want to call it. If we have a significant break again with all these buyers failing, right? These buyers failed over here. This shows us a true flip from previous day's demand to this day's supply. If you want to look at it from a ICT perspective, there isn't much that you can take away from this chart, right? I don't recommend any trader trades any ICT concept without understanding where the market buyers and sellers are. So here were the buyers, right? Here were the, again, buyers, passive buyers, and here were those passive buyers which then switched to passive sellers. Now, I promise you, your daily bias will be so much easier. It'll be a lot easier to determine if you simply knew where these levels were. So let's go into Thursday's price action. So this is now Thursday, the 23rd of October. So as the market, here we go. So as the market opens, right? So here's the market. So let's just break this down. So if we go to the 1 minute chart now, what we can see from the previous day is that we had a huge seller which created this down movement. Now we know there was a seller